Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and this is one that came out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Sapporo Ichiban Tabimen Miso Ramen. Sapporo Miso Ramen. And it's weird because I did this in 2018, same barcode, same picture of the product in the background, but different large characters. The lower one is completely different. Yeah, so, chashu. Chashu. So, 360 mils of water in the pot, and we put in the solidities. Let them go. Yes, yes, yes. So there's the corn and a little bit of flake. Haha. This goes in last, and then here is our noodle. Give it a push. Lid it. 3 minutes. So how y'all doing today, huh? It's Saturday. Yeah. It's Saturday. I don't know. I'm kind of like, I feel broadsided by things and stuff. But that's okay. That happens sometimes. I'll be fine. I'm really happy to announce that this is the 19th review I've done in 5 days. And I've got one more to do, which will be this weird beef yakisoba thing. Oh yeah, I don't know if those little things are beef or like a topping. Hi Miles, what you need?
My tablet has 90%.
That's perfect, go play. That's a lot.
Okay.
That's a whole lot.
Can I say hi to the nice people?
Yeah, I think you can do that.
Hi, nice people.
There's hot stuff on the stove. Yeah, okay, scoot over. It's Mimi's turn.
Hi, nice people.
How you doing, Mimi?
Good.
Good. You guys watching Frozen?
Yes.
Okay. Have fun. Love you. Frozen. Frozen, frozen, frozen. I'm kind of thirsty. Yeah. I don't know. I just feel really overly burnt out on everything. But that happens once in a while. I have been working a lot this week, so that can happen. But hopefully that'll go away come next week, because I think some big things are happening next week, if you know what I mean. I don't know either, but we will see what we have in 45 seconds. I'm thinking of reinstituting doing the quotes from Momofuku Ando stuff. It should still be like right here. Yeah, right here. Got it better. The Holy Book. There it is. To those of you new to the show that don't know about the Holy Book, this is it. Who's Momofuku Ando? Ando Momofuku-san is the inventor of the instant noodle. And may I quote him with the finest quotation the alarm wants me to. Oh. 40. So the group, Ramen Junkies, in the group we've got moderators, and I've named the group of us moderators as Section 42. And it's the 42nd quote out of this book, which reads, "Think, think, and think again. When I beat my brains out, I pass blood in my urine." It says it right freaking here. Isn't that amazing? What are you doing? But yeah, words of wisdom. That was like one of the coolest things anybody's ever gifted me. It was from the head of Myojo USA sent me that. Arigato. Yeah. Super kind, super awesome. Like, I've been looking for this forever. I hit him up for something else, but I think he's like, I don't know if we have one of those. I want a charumera. So if you've seen Myojo charumera, it's ramen, cups, bowls, packs, you name it. But the charumera, it's a horn, and there's a picture of a guy and a little kitty cat, like little characters. And the charumera, they would go to a neighborhood, and in the evening they would come out and go boop boop boop. People come down, kind of like the ice cream man, but the ramen man. I always thought, I wonder if I can get one of those. I looked everywhere for one of these little horns. I think it would be cool. But to be continued on that front, that's for sure. If anybody knows where to get one, that's what I want for Christmas. It's a charumera. I will go far and wide and toot my horn. Alright. I really would. Expounding the beauty of, maybe not the beauty of this. This one, I am getting the strongest scent of, what do you call it? Red miso. And if you know me, I'm not a huge red miso fan. Nice colored broth. I didn't look at what I had to say about this in 2018. Red miso has been growing on me, and this is pretty good. I wish I had extra corn, because corn and butter, oh boy. That's a good one. I did not expect to like that as much as I do, especially with the initial scent I got off of that. But yeah, red miso has been steadily growing on me. Can I help you? What you need?
The clock has been turned yellow.
Yellow, huh? Well, we'll look at it. Don't worry about the clock.
I need to say what did I miss?
No. No. Don't say anything to it. I will deal with it once I'm done. Okay?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
So we've got these Amazon wall clocks, and if there's a light that goes on them, they like kind of go a little, hey, there's a light. What does it mean? What does all this mean? All right. So at the end of the last episode, I put more fluid in the blowtorch. I think it's been enough time for it to settle down. So here we go. Oh yeah. Yep. Seems to be working just fine. It's crazy because on Amazon you get 3 cans of it for dirt cheap, and oh boy, that's gonna last me for years. They're just like thin, like what do you call it? For your hair, the mousse. The mousse. It's like a can of mousse. Pamplemousse. What is pamplemousse? Isn't that grapefruit? Yeah, orange is orange, but grapefruit is like pamplemousse. Isn't that the deal? It's so strange. I don't know. Linguistics. Get out of it. You freaking god dang. These eggs. Oh, come on. Don't be little jerkwads. There you go. I don't know. There's my unhealthy amount of spring onion. I still love that. Whoever said that, I salute you. That's such a funny thing to say. It's a vegetable. How's that unhealthy? It's funny because they're complaining about the health concerns of spring onion on something that's so sodium rich as ramen. It's just like, usually it's the other way around. It's like, you need to put more vegetables in that fool. But I don't know. Haters gotta hate. They gotta complain. I could put there's some shichimi. I could put some butter in there, but I believe I'm making gluten-free pizza for dinner, so I kind of gotta save that butter. Butter makes it better. In my recipe, at least. Here we go. All right, thanks for watching. The next one we're going to have, the last one I'm doing today, this is a yakisoba from Yamadai, aka New Touch. And this is katsuya. It's like a beefy soy. You'll see it. It'll come up tomorrow. And then there's this tower, which is in Osaka. I didn't know what that was. It's like I can't remember, but it's a tower. Look up Tower Osaka, Japan. Then you can find out all about it. But yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.